plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I'm going to be showing footage of me making this Minun and Plusle. They are super cute. I'm so happy with them. I know it's kind of unusual to have two holiday-themed videos in the same week, especially for two different holidays, but Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so that is why I am doing these. This is actually my 99th and my 100th Pokemon, and I'm so happy that I reached my goal. I didn't think that I would do 100 Pokemon paper crafts, so that is phenomenal. And I know lately when I come on the microphone, you can tell that I'm kind of anxious and sad and stressed because it's just been a little difficult lately, but I feel like once I realized I made 100, I just kind of created my own happiness around that because I was just so excited. When I first finished making them, it didn't really hit me, but by the time I started editing the video, I was like, oh wow, I actually did this. This is crazy. So thank you guys so much for supporting me while I learn how to paper craft and I continue to make content. So thank you guys so much. If you could share with a friend, that would be awesome. I'm hoping to get 100 subscribers for 100 Pokemon. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys like these. So while I was making them, I thought about how one of my friends asked me to make Articuno ages ago. Aubrey, I'm sorry, I did not make Articuno. But just like pretend that these ones are for you, right? Because they're like a Pokemon couple and you're engaged now. So yay! Congrats on the engagement! Oh, I'm just trying to make excuses for being lazy and scared to make Articuno, but maybe in the future I will get around to that one. I've also noticed we have some new subscribers joining. Thank you guys so much. I know sometimes YouTube is blocking comments, and there are comments that I don't really understand why they're being blocked. I guess maybe it's a spam filter, but I don't really see them as spam. But if that has happened in your comments, just know, like, I have seen them before YouTube took them away. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for supporting me. Hopefully that gets better. So for these two paper crafts, they're pretty simple, pretty cutesy. I do stylized eyes like I normally do for some of the kind of cute kawaii Pokemon. And these are another pair that are really big, and I'm just trying to make sure that they don't go off the page. Other things that I've planned that are coming up, I will do a journal flip through of all 100 that I have made, and I'll definitely go more into depth about how I'm feeling about the whole project and like what my vision was for it originally and what it became. I definitely want to take the time to really discuss, I don't know, my growth on this. Because I think I've been on YouTube now for 8 months, which is a really long time, and I have put so much time into it. I've just really enjoyed making art, so I will definitely have a somewhat scripted speech. I'll come more prepared than I normally do. A lot of times I just turn on the microphone and I talk, but for that one I'm going to plan a little bit more because I want to make sure that I'm expressing how happy I am that I've done this. Yeah, here are those little heart eyes. I don't know why, but something about this project reminded me of Peppa Pig. When I get to the little smiley faces, yeah. Does that remind you of Peppa Pig? I have never even watched Peppa Pig. But that's the vibe I got from these. I was giggling when I put that little frowny face. Other announcements that I want to make. I am going to link all of my social media profiles down below. Recently, another Amy's Art House came out, and they're not copying me or anything. They're doing their own stuff, but I was like, oh no, what if people are looking for me and they find that instead? So if you are interested in following me on any of those platforms, please do. I really appreciate it. It helps get my work out there more. I'm most active on Instagram. I really like posting Instagram stories, so if that's something that you're into, if you want to see some of the like art in process, definitely find me there. Other plans I have. So I'm going to do the journal flip through. I'm going to organize all 100 that I've made. I have a Pikachu artwork for 25 years of Pokemon, and I have a Sims build ready. So lots of stuff in the pipeline right now. And I'm going to change the format. I'm not always going to be doing videos for just one Pokemon. I will probably do a large batch. So there might be less videos, but there will be more content within them, if that makes sense. So I'm doing this little bit of shadow because the like tan fur color really blended in with the background, like the little lights on the XOs. And I kind of regret using this gray because it kind of makes Plusle look like a rabbit with that like pink part of her ear. It makes it look like the inner part of an ear, but it's too late to change it, so I am leaving it be. What kind of crafts and games and shows is everybody getting up to right now? I'm watching Resident Alien tonight, so I'm very excited for that. It's one of the actors from Firefly is in it, Alan Tudyk, and it's really goofy. Yeah, I am wrapping this video up. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. I've been having so much fun making this stuff. And like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you all again soon. Happy Valentine's Day.